Hi, my lovely Geminis. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Geminis, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, a lot of different messages were coming through. I was strongly connecting to someone who is like literally very very tired, like very tired, very exhausted, very close to ending some cycles, close to closures, and it's like very physically and mentally and emotionally draining phase for someone. Okay, nine of wands and ten of wands was showing up repeatedly. Someone is getting so frustrated and to the point of getting defensive or getting offended, like anything that or everything that someone says. Okay, so that was coming through very strongly for some of you guys. There was a tower moment, sudden change. Okay, some sudden change, some incident that has left you really really confused, like you do not know which road to take, which path to take, what decision to make. You are on crossroads, probably you have two choices to pick from, two options, and you are really not sure which one to go for. Okay, someone out there, I feel that someone is so tired of injustice, that someone is feeling like, when will justice be served? Okay, when will justice be served? That kind of a thing I was getting. For some of you guys, you are tired of waiting of some legal documentation, maybe paperwork, divorce papers, maybe your visa, maybe some property related work, papers, bank related papers, maybe the offer letter, something, some legal document you are waiting for. Okay, uh, there was something else that I was going to tell you. Some of you guys are going to have second chance at something, second chance at life, second chance at workplace, in at relationship front. Okay, judgment card was showing up. I don't know what this second chance was for, but second chance at something. Okay, second shot at something. Some the oracle cards said that the situation will improve a year from now. Okay, that was the message that was coming through the oracle deck. And with that, let's get started guys, and let's see what messages we have for you guys. By the way, expect a unexpected message or phone call from someone, a communication that you were really not expecting to happen. Okay, maybe you were in no communication state with someone, you had blocked someone, or you were not talking to someone, and all of a sudden that person drops a message and say hi, just waves of peace flag, comes and apologizes or says sorry, or someone just comes and expresses his or her feelings to you. Okay, some unexpected communication message coming your way was what I was seeing very very clearly. Let's get started guys. Lot of pre-shuffling messages, and yeah. Oop. Listen to your intuition was coming through for you. Yeah, lot of confusion is what I'm seeing. Lot of confusions. New job offer for someone, very very clearly, very very clearly over here. Yeah, with that, let's get started guys. Let's see now. Yeah, I think the camera is good. Your health card is showing up as Queen of Pentacles. Okay, now this is a very grounded energy. I feel that some of you guys are very, very. I feel that someone is being very affectionate, very, very motherly over here. Now, I'm just talking about energies. I'm not talking about genders. Okay, even a male Gemini out there can exhibit or emote. in a very caring or nurturing manner. Okay, that's what I meant when I said motherly. So very very nurturing energies coming through over here. You are very mindful of everything and everyone around you. Okay, you not only take care of yourself, but you are very very particular about what your loved ones are doing or how they are doing in terms of their health, what they are eating, whether if at all you have kids, you are ensuring that your kids are eating well, they are having good habits, eating habits, they are keeping themselves fit. Maybe you're taking care of your spouse. Okay, at the same time you are also taking care of yourself. You're very much attentive to your physical fitness as well. By this I'm not I don't mean that someone is wanting to have that picture perfect body, or those six packs abs or something like that. But your inclination is more towards remaining fit. Okay, some of you guys might have started going to your to not york sorry. I'm so sorry about that. The words are just, the thoughts are actually ahead and my words are not able to catch up with those thoughts, so that's why I just muddled up. Anyway, I wanted to say that someone might be going for walks or jogging. Okay, like I see that someone is actually going in parks, or or joggers park. We have many joggers parks these days. Okay, where there are dedicated tracks for joggers, or you can walk in those parks. Okay, I see someone doing that. Actually, someone is actually connecting with nature. Okay, you might be going for hikes, especially it's monsoon here in India, so many people like to go for treks or hikes during this period. So I feel that someone is going doing that. You are using natural ways or natural means to keep yourself fit. Maybe some of you guys are doing yoga is what I'm saying. Okay, so I don't see anyone going for some fancy fitness routines or regimes, like no zumba here, or no gyms, or those fancy workouts here, but everything that is natural. Okay, maybe yoga, maybe walking. Okay, like I said, something that you can do freely. Okay, that's what I'm seeing someone indulging into, and it's a very nice energy. Nothing glaring over here. Okay, some of you guys might also have pet and you're walking the pet in the evenings. Okay, that could also be the case over here. Okay, so nothing and nothing absolutely to worry. You are not even shying away in while investing in your health in terms of money. Okay, like you are eating healthy, like you are investing into dry fruits or good fruits, good quality fruits, vegetables. Okay, lot of greens. That is what I'm getting. And if you're not doing this, which I don't see is the case, start doing that. Okay, if you're not doing it, please start doing that. So Capricorn energy is coming through very very strongly. If not Virgo, Taurus. Okay, but strong air, strong earth energy is showing up over here. Your current energy is showing up as five of cups. You guys are definitely disappointed over something, someone, some situation. Okay, wherein you are like really utterly tired. Okay, and you are like feeling extremely defeated and down. Okay, let's clarify why my Geminis are feeling so down. What is this situation? Please tell me more. Ace of Wands has shown up twice, by the way. Okay, we'll talk about it later. So some of you guys are feeling that things are progressing very very painstakingly slow when it comes to your career. Okay, maybe things are not moving, or they are not progressing at the pace that you would want, and it is actually making you feel very stuck and disappointed, and I feel that you're bored. Okay, I am getting the energy of a lot of boredom coming out from this. Okay, someone out there is kind of withholding. You're not expressing, you're not communicating. Maybe you're keeping up keeping up to yourself, okay? You're not probably socializing as well is what I'm getting over here, okay? Also some of you guys is holding out tight in terms of their finances, okay? You're being extra cautious where you are spending or what you're spending on, okay? You are being very very cautious when it comes to your expenditure is what I'm getting, okay? That is also one thing that is coming up. But one thing that I'm getting very strongly over here is, and when I see this eight of wands in your challenging position is blocked communication, okay? Maybe you are or someone is not communicating with you, maybe you're not communicating to someone, not talking to someone, okay? Or maybe even if you are not able to communicate clearly or properly is what I'm getting, or the other person is not communicating clearly to you, something related to communication, okay? Some blocked communication is what I'm getting very very strongly. For others, there could be a change in travel plans, maybe your travel is stalled, you probably had plans to travel overseas, and it got postponed or it is not happening probably for some reasons, okay? Something or the other is coming up and your travel plans are getting postponed is what I'm getting for some of you guys, okay? One another thing that I was getting is that if at all you were expecting some communication like mail or message or phone call from someone, or someone was going to come to see you, or you were going to travel to someone, that is not happening, okay? In a nutshell, your challenge currently is blocked communication or something related to communication, either physical communication, traveling, or in terms of expressing something to someone, okay? That is the current challenge for you guys, okay? Interestingly, the advice is showing up as Knight of Swords, which tells that are you ready to take that action? Is it that you're just planning things, okay, and you have a lot of plans, a lot of ambitions, a lot of aspirations, but you're not taking any steps towards that, okay? You're not taking action to bring those plans into reality, bring those dreams into reality, okay? If you're doing that, stop, okay, and take actions. The angels are asking you to put your plans into actions, otherwise how are your wishes or dreams going to come true, right? Also guys, one thing is very sure, that there are going to be a lot of sudden changes that are going to happen in your life. You're going to get a lot of momentum in your life is what I'm getting. The stagnant energy is going to start moving very suddenly for you guys. Ace of wands is sorry, the Knight of wands is the fastest moving not wand, Knight of swords rather. What I meant was knight is the fastest moving energy, Knight of swords. So you'll expect sudden changes now, okay? Fast moving energies are entering into your life, okay? So these are extremely contradictory energies, okay? Up until now, if things were stalled for you, they were blocked for you, all of a sudden things are going to gain momentum for you. Some of you guys is what I'm getting very strongly. Like I said, I had said Tower card in your energy, which talks about sudden changes, okay? Like knee jerk reaction kind of changes, and all of a sudden your boring life is going to gain a lot of momentum. So worry not. If at all you're feeling bored, suddenly your life will get very very interesting is what I'm getting. Ace of wands, Ace of pentacles, hands down you guys have brand new openings, brand new opportunities, rather not openings, brand new beginnings in terms of your career is what I'm getting, either a start of new project altogether or a new job altogether. And the chances of new job are very very high, because there is Page of Pentacles showing up over here. This page I feel is bringing in message about new job offer or new job opportunity for you guys, okay? And this is going to be in alignment with your likings, your skill sets, your passions. You're going to enjoy this is what I'm getting, okay? And this is something which is going to bring you a lot of money, lot of abundance, prosperity, okay? If at all you're working into 9 to 5 job, you'll get a good hike, okay? You'll get a good hike with this, which you'll get good money with this, which is what I'm getting. And you definitely are going to enjoy your work. Okay, that's what I'm getting over here very very strongly. For some of you guys, there could be passionate new beginnings in terms of your relationship. You might have an affair with someone. Maybe a workplace affair is what I am getting. Not necessary, but the chances could be very very high, and this night might be headed towards you in a very speedy manner. Okay, like today you are single and tomorrow you will be in a relationship with someone. Okay, that kind of an energy is what I'm getting for some of you guys. Take it how it resonates. It's a collective reading. Okay, please don't say what is she talking about. So 7 of cups, a lot of confusion for some of you guys is what I'm getting, guys. You are really confused over something. Maybe little meditation might help you. Also listen to your intuition. Okay, the gut feeling, the strong hunch that you have deep down in your belly, you have to listen to that. Okay, because that is your inner system, your inner being guiding you towards the right direction. Confusion, yes, I saw it during your pre-shuffling also. I had seen 2 of swords, and there is this 7 of cups, which confirms that someone is really confused. Your emotions are scattered all over place, and during such times your intuition or a little meditation will help you, guys. Piscean energy showing up over here. Ace of swords is showing up double, guys. Definitely some good news coming your way, some new beginnings, new opportunities. Maybe some of you guys might start a passion project. Like if you were painting, you'll start your art gallery, maybe virtual. If you are good into writing, you'll publish your poetry book, something related to your passion. Okay, and for others, there could be a passionate new beginning in terms of relationship that might lead to marriage. Okay, or a forever kind of a thing, but definitely divine timing, perfect timing for this new beginning. These new beginnings is what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Some of you guys might also relocate is what I'm getting. You guys might throw a party, maybe a housewarming party or engagement, or you might get married. Some social gathering, you might attend someone's wedding. Okay, some social gathering, some event, some celebration happening here for sure is what I'm getting, guys. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius showing up strongly over here. Piscean energies over here. Again, there is 4 of cups in your energy, which 4 of cups, 5 of cups, like I said, are talking about disappointment and boredom about something, over something. Okay, but guys, it's unless and until you let go of this, whatever this disappointing incident is, you're not going to understand what lies ahead for you. Okay, definitely there are brand new beginnings for you guys. Only thing is, you have to raise your head. You should look ahead in your life. Okay, you should be willing to move on in your life, and only then will you be able to see this cup. Okay, that the universe is wanting to offer you. You will be able to see these brand new beginnings that are waiting for you, right literally in your face. Okay, is what I'm getting, Geminis. All you have to do is be open to receive these blessings that the universe is so waiting to offer you. Maybe in terms of relationship, maybe in terms of career, whatever it is for you guys that you're wishing for, it is there waiting for you. Please be in the receptive mode is what I would tell you. Okay, I see a passionate affair for some of you guys, for sure, for sure. Anyway, let's pull one spread from this beautiful deck. By the way, romance card had flipped up when I was pre-shuffling this deck. So let's see now what happens. Opportunity, yes. Definitely brand new beginnings, brand new opportunity awaits for some of you guys. That's confirmed for you guys. Yeah, lot of abundance. I told you, right? It is again confirmed with these 2 oracle cards. This Ace of Pentacles and this page is going to bring you lot of abundance, guys. Okay, a job offer, a business opportunity, a career opportunity that is going to bring in lot of abundance for you guys. Okay, a lot of money is what I'm seeing. For others, things are going to shift a year from now. Okay, so don't lose hope, don't stop your efforts. Okay, you will definitely see changes a year from now. Don't stick to this timelines. This is tentative timelines, and just take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, and forgiveness has shown up for some of you guys. Okay, if at all you are into tiff with someone, if at all is someone is wanting to, wave the peace flag, or wants to come and say sorry to you, apologize to you, make sure that you forgive that person. Make sure you forgive yourself. Make sure you forgive whatever has happened in the past. Let bygones be bygones and move ahead in life. Okay, that's the way of life. Okay, do not hold on to any grudge. Practice forgiveness. I know it's very difficult. I know it is very difficult, but if at all, you can start with your own self. Okay, you can start by forgiving yourself. Okay, very very nice, beautiful reading. Very very like it had different energies, different messages, not a specific reading for sure. Okay, and that gives me some relief. So Gemini, is like I said, if any of this resonates with you, please do give my video thumbs up. It helps my channel. It helps or it supports my channel actually. So, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.